Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be working on Krusty. For those that don't know, Krusty is a 1984 C10. It's pretty crusty and dirty. Got some green mold growing on it, dents and all in it. But today we're going to put in a new fuel tank. Got from Boyd's Welding. It comes with the pump and a sending unit there. So we're gonna try to get the bed off and get that in there.
Should be running and driving by the end of the day.
Yeah, I doubt that.
One step closer.
Yeah, a little bit closer anyway. Alright, we got the bumper off. Now we're gonna try to work on this hitch, get it off. The wiring to the beds right here. You just unplug it.
That's it.
That's it. That's pretty neat there. So yeah, we're gonna work on that, and then we'll work on the bolts in the bed and try to pull her off there, maybe, if we're strong enough.
I don't know. We had to do so.
Yeah. Alright guys, we got all the bolts out. This one kind of stripped there. So what we ended up doing, cutting slits in it like a flathead, and I had Clay hold that while I took the bolts, the nuts off the bottom. That seemed to work out pretty good. So now we're ready to take it off. We had to unhook the gas filler and then the vent tube for the rear end, and now she's ready to be pulled off.
Yes sir, ready to roll.
Woo! Alright, we got the bed off of there. Got it sitting on a little trailer over here. That thing was heavy, wasn't it?
Heavier than shit. Heavier than shit. Yeah, it's heavy.
Alright, so now we gotta take this brace out and the brake line bracket, take it off, because that fuel tank sets right here. So we'll start on that.
Woo! Get that one side brake. Just hammer on it.
Yeah, you might have to hammer it up.
There she went. Look at that,
Yeah.
clean cut. The hot.
Yeah.
We tap that. Here we go. There we go.
Yep.
Look at that.
Alright, there's off hanger off there. We don't need that. Alright guys, I cut me a couple pieces of rubber to put in between that and the frame. I used one existing hole right there. That was from that brace that was in there. And then I had to drill this one on both sides. Yeah, so we get ready to put her back in there and bolt it up. Be done with it. Alright, got it in there. We ended up just bolting it right to the bottom of the frame. We tried going in from the bottom and getting those lips up inside the frame. That didn't work. We tried going from the top. And that didn't work either, so we just bolted it to the bottom of the frame. All right, guys, we got the tank in there. I got to order some fittings to get the fuel lines plumbed in there. But yeah, I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.